In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log into Zoho CRM in Chrome and set up duplicate detection to keep your data clean and organized. Let's dive in and ensure your CRM remains efficient and clutter-free. Firstly, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to Zoho CRM by typing in the URL or selecting it from your bookmarks. Once you're on the Zoho CRM homepage, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Input these details carefully and click on the Sign In button to access your CRM dashboard. Once you're logged in, we're going to head over to the Setup section to configure duplicate detection settings. Look for the gear icon or the word Setup on your dashboard, which is often located in the top right corner. Click on it, which will take you to a new menu where you'll see a variety of options for customizing your CRM experience. Here, we want to focus on data administration. So keep an eye out for this option and click on it once you spot it. Inside Data Administration, you'll find different tools for managing your CRM data. Today, our focus is on managing duplicates, so locate and click on Duplicate Check. This is a particularly useful feature that can save you a lot of time and potential confusion by ensuring your data remains clean and consistent. After clicking on Duplicate Check, the next step involves selecting the modules for which you want to enable duplicate detection. In essence, modules are specific areas of your CRM, such as leads, contacts, or accounts, where this functionality can operate. Carefully select the modules most relevant to your data management needs to set up efficient duplicate detection. With your modules selected, it's time to define the fields you want to compare for duplicates. Fields are specific bits of data, like email addresses, phone numbers, or any unique identifiers that you deem critical for identifying duplicates. Consider which fields are most likely to have redundant entries and would benefit from a duplicate check. Now, let's set up the rules that dictate exactly how your system handles any duplicates that it comes across. You have several options here. You can choose to merge duplicates, block them from entering the system again, or simply notify an assigned team member about their existence. Decide on a process that aligns with your team's workflow and data management strategy. When you've gone through all these steps, don't forget to save your settings. This ensures everything you've configured is stored and ready to go. Finally, it's always a good practice to test your duplicate detection setup to verify it's working as intended. You can do this by running a few entries through the system intentionally to see how well your rules and fields are integrated and functioning. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a robust duplicate detection mechanism set up within your Zoho CRM. This process will help maintain the integrity of your data, reduce redundancy, and increase